welcome back to Scrapbooks Made Easy with Beth. I thought we were back and going to be on track, and I apologize, but who knew we were going to get hit by 2 more hurricanes in a 2-week period. So I apologize, but I'm glad you're here. Hopefully the hurricanes are gone and we will be back on track. Today I'm going to show you a super simple page using our simple page kits. If you haven't seen them, they are really easy. They're great for getting pages done in 5 or 10 minutes, and one comes out each month. So the whole purpose of this is to be able to spend 10 minutes, make a double page spread, do it every month. At the end of the year, you have 12 double page spreads. You can put your favorite pictures for each month in. And so it's not all of the birthday pictures or all of the vacation pictures, but maybe 1 or 2. And that way you'll have an overview of what you've done for the entire year. So I hope you enjoy them. This is This Life Simple Page Kit number 11. I'll show you a few other ones, but I wanted to show you what comes in the simple page kits. So you always have a beautiful sticker sheet and 3 sheets of paper. So this is like our Fast to Fab, so it's already decorated for you. And then our 3rd sheet has all the dimensions that you need to cut. So what I highly recommend is you measure each one of these and write them down on the cover sheet, and that way you have something that you can use with 3 other sheets of paper for. You could do the exact same cuts with different paper, different stickers, different embellishments. It'll look totally different. So if you save all of these, you will be essentially making your own idea book, and I love that idea. All right, so all we're gonna do now is cut exactly where they're showing to cut. So I am going to do these. They're numbered, and that tells you what to do first. So you're gonna cut number 1 and 2, obviously. Then we're gonna turn it to do 3 and 4. I always make sure that it's lined up on both ends before I cut. So making sure that it's right where the dotted lines are. Each one has a different amount of cuts, so you never know, but as you can see, it is really simple. So that's it. That's all I needed the trimmer for. Now I'm just going to take these. I'm going to look at how these are laid out. So I have the oranges in the middle. So I'll be turning those like that. Again, you're just going to be looking at the layout. On the top of the layout, I'm actually going to move my cutting mat. I don't need that right now. So these are going to go on the top. And I'm actually going to trim off just a tiny bit on that. I want to get rid of that red or orange that's there. That's going to go on the top. This one's going to go on the other side, same thing. If you overcut it just a little bit, go ahead and trim that off. That's going to go on the top as well. And you know what, I'm going to go ahead and stick these down. I use repositionable tape runner for everything. I love the repositional tape runner. If you're not familiar with it, if I accidentally put this on the wrong side, I can just rub it right off. And it's no longer sticky. So I love the repositionable tape runner because I tend to mess up. All right, so those are the 2 little strips. Now we have these 2 little strips, which they have going along the bottom, and you can see it goes the whole way because these were the first 2 we cut off. So those are going to go on the bottom. And same thing for this one. That's the other thing about the repositional tape runner. It's only sticking to what I want it to stick to. So there's the bottom. And then these are going to be where you would put your photos. So this you're going to put 3 different photos on. And then this, you're going to match up with that. Again, I'm going to trim just a little bit off. That's the beauty of that. You really can't mess it up too bad. And then this one's going to go in the middle. Actually, this one's going to go this way. So that will match up with that. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that down. I'm going to put mine right in the middle because I'm very symmetrical. And same thing here. I'm going to look at where the lines are and do this one. So these are available on the website for $5.50. And if you order these off my website, then you can message me because we have exclusive embellishments that are like stickers. So here, again, I will show you this. They have some embellishments there. You probably want to wait until you put your pictures on, but I still would put this little guy down here in the corner. And it's 3D, so it has a little dimension to it. Put 1 or 2 photos here, a vertical picture there, 3 vertical pictures there. You have at least 6 page on a double page spread to celebrate your Thanksgiving or just the fall season. So I hope you like these. They're fun, they're easy. Again, keep this, measure those, use that as an idea book for later. All right, everyone, have a great day. I also wanted to show you a few other ones. Like I said, they come out every month. So this is kit number 2. This would have been for February, and it has really cute extra embellishments with that one. This was number 5's. And again, cute extra embellishment. And number 6. So I just grabbed a couple. This is a great backyard barbecue one. Again, if you order these from the website and you want the extra little bonus, then let me know you ordered off my website and I'll tell you how to get the bonus.